for the DILG, for the PNP, for the camp development outlays, for the DND, for the GHQ and AP-wide service support units, for the DepEd, for the operation of elementary, junior, senior high schools, and constructions of daycare centers nationwide, and for the DNR, for the Natural Resources Conservation Development Program, Protected Areas Development and Management, for the Department of Health, for the National Center for Mental Health and QRF, for the UPPGH, for the Department of Transportation, for the Dangerous and Drugs Board, for the Philippine Sports Commission, and budgetary support to government corporations and allocations to LGUs. So the institutional amendments will be introduced and will be part of the GAB that is that will be printed and which we will transmit to the Senate by October 1, so that at least well within the break, before the break rather, our work with respects to the GAB will be complete, and that's why we feel that it is okay for us to congratulate our colleagues in the House, particularly the leaders, and mostly, of course, to all the staff who supported us to make this success and a record of sorts.